Hi, this is Harveen welcoming you to the another episode of Cleopatra Makeover Trends. Today we have another participant who is very enthu to see what makeover we are going to do for her. Let's see what the kitty shows her today and what makeover drastic changes we do today.
Hi, my name is Bahar Chawla. I'm here in Cleopatra in Chandigarh. Well, Cleopatra के bridal looks and makeover makeup के बारे में तो सब जानते हैं. It's so famous. And एक Cleopatra ने एक new makeover online form भी शुरू किए हैं जो कि मैंने online भरा था. And see, I'm the lucky one. I got selected. Well, I'm very much excited कि मुझे क्या आज new look, क्या आज new makeover मिलना वाला है. So I'm really very much excited and let's see what new look they give to me. So stay tuned.
She's Bahar, who's the luckiest participant of today and waiting for her makeover. As you can see, she's slim, pretty, fair, bubbly. So we are going to give her a very nice party look with an English gown and an English hairstyle with a girly pinky look. So Bahar, excited, ready to see what we are going to do for you?
Yes.
So let's go and start the makeover. Come. So finally Bahar is there for her final makeover. Since all of us we know that there are pre-wedding functions also, so we are giving her a Mehendi ki Raat look where she is wearing a very dewy pastel lehenga with beige and pink. So we are giving her a combination of beige and pink and will be emphasizing lot on flower jewelry. So here it is Mehendi ki Raat look which everybody waits for their final D-Day look also. So we are going to start with her with the cleansing, toning, moisturizing. So to start with Mehendi ki Raat look, to start with we'll be taking care, close your eyes Bahar, we'll be starting with the cleansing and toning part of the face since बहुत natural look देना है, nothing overdone. And specifically because her bridal is going to be there after 2-3 days, so today's function is not going to be very heavy. It will be a very neutral, natural look which she is going to flaunt. So after cleansing, toning and moisturizing, I am just covering her little bit of under eye dark circles. As we know, there's a lot of pressure in Shadi, so lack of sleep, anxiety, stress, so that is going to be covered up with the coverage of the under eye dark circles which she is not going to see today. Now after the under eye coverage, I am just concealing and giving her a nice neutral base. Since everybody is looking forward for a good base which should not look overdone, which should not look artificial, you should look you but in a nice blended girly manner. So the coverage is almost done. I'm using very neutral shades. As per her complexion, I have picked up ivory shade and a little bit of the beige shade to give her the reflection of the dress on her face. Bronzers will be used later on to highlight her cheeks. So almost as the base is done, I am just neutralizing it to make it little more emulsified, more diffused, more natural as the function itself is, so that she is going to dance and enjoy her function. So nothing should wash off also, and summers are also coming, so I am giving her a very waterproof blending so that it stays for longer period of time despite of her dancing. Now since Bahar is having beautiful features, attractive eyes, nice shape cut, so I am emphasizing her face with little more corrective makeup, little more high definition will be given to her face, so that her face should look sleeker and sharper. And mostly what happens, you know, when somebody gets a makeup done, after makeup one feels that the face starts looking, you know, heavy, and people say कि ओहो मैं मोटी लग रही हूँ photographs में. So that is the art of makeup, what we are doing it. So I am just making her features highlighted with little more sharp edges, so that once it's done you will see the difference कि yes, the features are highlighted. As such, you know, features are gifted and beauty is achieved. So Cleopatra is helping you to achieve that beauty gifted by God. So finally we are done with Bahar's makeover, that is Mehndi Ki Raat look. Here it is for you. So now Bahar is finally done with this look, जिसमें हमने इनको hot pink lips दिए हैं to make her look attractive and semi smoky eyes. And yes, we have played a lot with fresh flowers. As you can see, the whole matha patti is made up of orchids with a tikka, and the jewelry itself is also speaking about everything. इनके earrings भी हमने orchids and roses से highlight किए हैं. Even इनका जो हमने बाजू बंद है वो भी orchid से highlight किया है. So today is all flowery pinky look, which I think every girl loves this color. So this look is going to rock and everybody is going to love that. Bahar, how do you like this look? Anything you want to tell us about this look?
Well, yeah, this look is really very different, and I guess it would take the new generation in a very next level. And I think कि आजकल की हर bride को ऐसे ही flowers and एक बहुत natural, एक बहुत beautiful, एक बहुत ही ज़्यादा heavenly feeling आती है. So I'm really feeling on top of the world with this beautiful makeover, and everybody should come to Cleopatra for this extraordinary and the unique and different beautiful makeover.
So if you really like this look, you want a makeover, you can send your entries to Cleopatra.